Welcome back to Booze and Rocks, where we make cocktails for everyone. My name is David Edwards, and you know what? I got some fresh fruit. The weather's warming up. It's time for a gin sling. Let's get into it. It's great to have every single one of you back here today. We are going to make a Blackberry Gin Sling. And many of you may be wondering where the term gin sling came from. Well, a sling is technically any spirit served with sugar, water, and ice. And basically you're looking at a cocktail. However, the term sling may come from the German of schlingen, meaning to drink hastily or to gulp. And that's a term that sort of came up on the transatlantic voyages. But in 1783, the New York Times stated that the gin sling is quintessentially an American invention, along with sours, cobblers, and smashes. But the same year, in the London Times, the British said that they'd been serving gin slings for over 80 years previous to that, however, in a tall or long fashion. So do we really know specifically where the term comes from? No, we don't. However, we do know it's been around for a long time. It's been a huge staple of cocktail culture, and we're gonna have some fun with it because I have some fresh fruit and we're gonna get into it. So the first thing you need is your shaking glass. The next thing you need to do is grab a little bit of mint. And we want 4 or 5 good sized leaves. If your leaves are smaller, you can use a few more, totally up to you. We're also going to grab between 3 to 5 blackberries, and these things are frippin' huge. So we're gonna use 3 of them. Grab your muddle, just gently going to muddle those. We're just breaking that up so that the juices for the blackberries and the oil start coming out of the mint leaves. Then we're going to go to our gin of choice. In this case, I'm using Beefeater, which is a London dry gin. I really like this. And we're going to use 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Now you can choose the gin of your choice. It's important. You're going to want something that might be more citrusy, but choose what you really like. If you want something local, which is awesome, go for it. If you don't, totally up to you as well. The next thing we're going to do is grab our lemon. And for this, we're going to use 2 ounces. These are really big lemons, so let's see what we get out of it. And we need 2 ounces or 60 milliliters. Oh yeah, put that over there. Next, you're going to grab a little bit of simple syrup. Now I'm using a 1-to-1 simple syrup. That's 1 part water to 1 part sugar. Warm it up till it goes clear, put it in the fridge, let it sit for a bit. Good for a long time. We need 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, now we're gonna shake this. Grab some ice. And we're going to shake this for 15 seconds. Ooh, that was close. Haha. Yeah, look at that. Okay. Grab your tall glass of choice. In this case, I'm going to use a nice highball glass or a Collins glass. And you need 3 or 4 decent sized cubes. In this case, 3 perfect sized ones. And we're going to fine strain this because nobody wants the seeds from the blackberries in your teeth. Oh yeah, look at that. Now you want to top it up with the soda water of your choice. You could use Schweppes, you could use something from your own soda stream. I'm using Canada Dry, it's what I have. And you just want to top it up. So about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces, depending on what you have in the glass. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Grab some mint as a garnish, pop that down, just smack it, spank it, wake it up, slide that right in here like so. Grab a blackberry to sit there with it, and you have a beautiful Blackberry Gin Sling. Now, grab your straw of choice. In this case, I'm gonna use a bendy straw because I like them. I'm a big kid at heart. Give this just a very gentle stir. Grab your raspberry back because you definitely want this treat, and give it a sip. First thing you smell is the mint. You really don't smell the gin, but you get a little bit of those citrus notes. Oh, it's sweet, but tart at the same time. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. That was a nasty slurpy thing going on. This is really good. You know what? If you think I should use a different type of fruit, a different type of gin, please leave a comment down below. Oh yeah, I think you're really gonna like this. Perfect for the back deck. You know what? If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we put up a new video, you will be notified. And if you're interested in supporting the channel, please check us out at patreon.com/booze-on-the-rocks, because every little bit helps us to bring these videos to you. You know what? However, of the same year, in the London. All right.